What's up everyone? It's Latoya from Miss Jackson Travels.
I recently stayed at this converted schoolhouse Airbnb on a farm just north of Toronto, and I want to give you a quick tour of this space. It was so nice to escape the city, so let's get into this tour. This cozy and cute historical loft was once the gym of the Webb Schoolhouse, built in 1924 by local farm families. It's a private, eclectically designed, spa-inspired hideaway. As a plant lover, I was automatically drawn in by all the huge plants in this space. They're just so calming. There's a projector for movie nights. I like sleeping on this unique suspension bed. Every time I moved, it felt like I was being gently rocked, and who doesn't like that? It has a small kitchenette, nothing fancy, which is fine by me since cooking was not on my agenda for this stay. One of my favorite features of this place was the private sauna and yoga space. There are just so many opportunities to relax and recharge. I was so excited to meet the animals and hear what the new owners plan to grow this season. Being a city girl, I feel out of touch with my food and nature at times, and this visit helped to ground me. While Airbnb has gotten some backlash over the years, and I've definitely reduced how much I use the site, stays like this are what hotels can't provide. That's the end of this tour. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.